Hello and namaskar. I am Dr. Piyali Chatterjee, a consultant dermatologist in Manipal Hospital Saltlake. Our today's topic for updating is itchy skin in winters. So winter is just about here and Kolkata. Though we don't get very severe winters here, but then the skin definitely starts feeling dry, and people who have existing dry skin start getting itching in their skin already at this time. Now, why does the skin become itchy for us where we almost have a very humid climate all over the year? One thing definitely is post October, rather middle of November, the humidity in the air starts reducing. That's a very important cause of itching in the skin in spite of not feeling so cold. So we might not feel cold, we don't have warm clothes on, but still our skin starts itching. It is even more severe for people who have some existing skin diseases like psoriasis, eczemas, dry skin disorders. They would get more itching. But we would also concentrate on generally itchy skin in the winter. So, what happens other than the reduction in humidity is the dry air which starts coming from the northern parts of India, and we see the north wind flowing in from the northern side of our house. This tends to be a very dry air, and it also irritates the skin. Along with, when I talk about skin, it is also the hair. And the third factor over here definitely is the warm clothes or the thicker clothes that we start wearing at this point of time. Sometimes we wear some of our georgettes and nylon clothing and polyesters, which we cannot just wear in the humid climate here. So the skin starts itching in without any kind of rashes, right? So we feel that what's gone wrong with me, but this definitely requires certain kind of treatment, or rather some kind of natural treatments also at home, and some kind of lifestyle changes so that we can deal with this. First of all, what can we do to prevent this? One is that if we start humidifying the air in our house. So many people keep humidifiers at our houses nowadays because we have to use air conditioning all through the year, right? So that tends to dry up the air also, and we have humidifiers. At this point of time, if we keep our humidifiers at 30 to 50% humidity, then our skin will feel very comfortable. Next factor is start using moisturizers on your skin, light oils after taking bath, and moisturizers also. Some of us feel that just using oils is enough, but that's not. Oil just helps to prevent the loss of the water already existing in the skin naturally. And so after bath, we start feeling hydrated because the water has gone into the dry skin. So if you put a layer of oil on the skin, then it prevents the loss of that air, but it does not hydrate the skin. So to hydrate the lower layers of the skin like the epidermis and the dermis, we need to use proper moisturizers. So if you have a normal skin and it is gone slightly dry, then just using some moisturizers available over the counters would help you. But if it is not enough, then you need to consult your dermatologist to find out what is a good moisturizer for you. Another point here is hydrating the skin. There are two ways of doing it. One is that you drink a lot of water. We stop feeling thirsty at this point of time because it's not hot. We are not sweating. But the body still needs at least 3 liters of water. Remember that and drink it. And it is only water along with all the juices and teas and coffees that you are having. So it's not that you have 1 liter of tea and 1 liter of water. No, it is 3 liters of water and whatever else you drink. And it is also important to take bath. Some of us feel that it's a nice weather and let's stop taking bath for a few days. So it's not that. It is very important to take bath, and with the water of right temperature. So the temperature should be slightly warm, not very hot water, because very hot water tends to strip off the layers of the skin from top and it tends to become more itchy. The same thing happens to the scalp, and that's why many of us come and go and complain to the dermatologist that I'm getting dandruff, wherein I don't get dandruff in when it is the rainy season or when it is very humid. I have no dandruff. I only get dandruff in winters, and the scalp also goes very itchy because the scalp is also dry. So just hot water is or tepid water is what you need, and take bath with soft soaps, and of course use a natural oil after you've taken bath and supplement it with moisturizers. So this is what prevents it. Sometimes this is not enough and your skin still continues itching. Then you need to go to a doctor who would provide you with some medications which would reduce itching. That can be topical corticosteroid creams of different strength. Please don't go to a pharmacy and try to buy one for yourself. That can be very dangerous because you will not be able to diagnose what it is. So this is basically general skincare and general reasons why we have itchy skin at this point of time. Thank you.